नमस्कार। एमएससी फिजिक्स सेमेस्टर 3 में हम आज रेडार में एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रेडार स्टडी करते हैं। टुडे वी शैल स्टडी द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रेडार एंड दिस इज ए वेरी informative and knowledgeable article and question in university exam has been also asked. Being a student of science and particularly of physics, it is expected every postgraduate should have a knowledge of radar and communication, etc. Radar has been employed to detect target on the ground, on the sea, in the air, in space, and even below ground. The major areas of radar applications can briefly be discussed here as first application comes which is widely used in military. Radar is an important part of air defense system as well as the operation of offensive missile and other weapons. In air defense, it performs the function of surveillance and weapon controls. Surveillance include target detection, target recognition, target tracking, and designation to weapon systems. Weapon control, radar track, target, direct the weapons to an intercept, and assess the effectiveness of the engagement, which is called battle damage assessment. A missile system might employ radar method for guidance and fusing the weapons. High resolution imaginary radars such as synthetic aperture radars have been used for reconnaissance purpose and for detecting fixed and moving target on the battlefield. Many of the civilian applications of radar are also used by the military. The military has been the major user of radar and the major means by which new radar technology has been developed. Radar is used in remote sensing. All radar are remote sensors. However, this term is used to imply the sensing of environment. Four important examples of the radar remote sensing are weather observation, which is a regular part of TV weather reporting as well as a major input to national weather prediction. Number 2, planetary observation such as mapping of Venus beneath its visually opaque clouds. And third is short range below ground probing, and the fourth and last of mapping of sea ice to route shipping in an efficient manner. So remote sensing is very important and it has got several uses in of application of radar. Air traffic control ATC radar have been employed around the world to safely control air traffic in the vicinity of airports. Air surveillance radar or called ASR, and en route from one airport to another, air route surveillance radar, as well as ground vehicle traffic and taxiing aircraft on the ground. Airport surface detection equipment, the ASR, air surveillance radar, also map region of rain so that aircraft can be directed around them. There are also radars specifically dedicated to observing weather, including the headers downburst in the vicinity of airport, which are called terminal Doppler weather radar. The air traffic control radar system widely used for the control of air traffic, although not a radar originated from military IFF and uses radar like technology. Law enforcement and highway safety. The radar safety meter, familiar to many, is used by police for enforcing speed limit. A variation is used in support to measure the speed of a pitch baseball. Radar has been considered for making vehicles safer by warning of the pending collision, activating the airbags, or warning of obstruction obstructions of people behind a vehicle or in the side blind zone. It is also employed for the detection of intruders. Radar has got application in aircraft safety and navigation also. The airborne weather avoidance radar outline region of precipitation and dangerous wind shear to allow the pilot to avoid hazardous conditions. Low flying military aircraft rely on terrain avoidance and terrains following radar to avoid colliding with obstacles or high terrains. Military aircraft employed ground mapping radars to image a scene. The radio altimeter is also use radar to indicate the height of an aircraft and as a part of self-contained guidance system over land. It is being also used in safety. Radar is found on ships and boats for collision avoidance and to observe navigations, especially when visibility is poor. Similarly, shore-based radar are used for surveillance of harbor and river traffic. It has got also application in space. Space vehicle have used radar for rendezvous and docking and for landing on the moon. As mentioned, they have been employed for the planetary exploration, especially the planet Earth. The large ground-based radar are also used for detection and tracking of satellite and other space objects. The field of radar astronomy using Earth-based system help in understanding the nature of it and establish an accurate measurement of astronomical units. The basic yardstick for measuring distance in the solar system and observing the moon and nearby planet before adequate space vehicle were able to explore them at a close distance. There are several other areas also. Radar has also found application in industry for the non-contact measurement of speed and distance. It has been used for oil and gas exploration. Entomologists and ornithologists have applied radar to study the movement of insects and birds, which cannot easily achieved by other means. Some radar systems are small enough to be held in one hand. Others are so large that they could occupy several football fields. They have been used at range closer enough to almost touch the target and the reach to planet. I have mentioned several applications of radar, and in my second article I have mentioned about the radar frequencies. Please keep in mind, basically radar generally operates in what is called microwave region. This region, operational radar in past have been frequencies ranging from about 100 megahertz to 336 gigahertz, which cover more than 8 octaves. These are not necessarily the limits. Operational high frequency over the horizon radar operative at frequency as low as a few megahertz. At the other hand of the spectrum, experimental millimeter wave radars have been at frequency higher than 240 gigahertz. In this table, some band designation and there the nominal frequency range and specific frequency range for radar base have been mentioned. So these are the working of radar frequencies. Thanks.